If your device cannot pair with your smartphone, or receive the smart notification, it may be caused by incorrect pairing of devices. To resolve the issue, please try the following steps. To disconnect the Bluetooth pairing, open the Garmin Connect mobile app. Select More. Scroll down and select Garmin devices. Choose a connected device. Select the three dots icon on the upper right corner. Then select Remove Device. Follow Unpair from the Bluetooth settings. Go back to the mobile desktop. Open as Settings, select Connections, then select Bluetooth. Select the A tool icon on the right, and choose to unpair the device. Once it is done, your phone and device are completely unpaired. It is not a necessary step, but if you have done all the steps above, and still cannot pair your device with the phone correctly, please follow the instructions to pair again. To reset default settings, go to a system on your watch and select a reset. Then select Reset Default Settings. Open the Garmin Connect mobile app. Select the Add New Device button and follow the instructions to pair. That's it. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.